sir. What do we got here? You got a tray.
Yes, sir.
Can we put both of them in here? Woo! What are we doing for this?
Everything.
Everything? And you said extra meat, right?
Extra.
Extra, okay.
Woo! Oh, yeah.
Man, this is heavy already. All right.
I'm ready to feed the whole family, man.
We doing cheese, right?
Cheese.
All the veggies, okay. You got fries too?
Yes, sir. You know you gotta hit it with the white sauce.
White sauce, okay. You gotta tell me when to stop, okay? But you want a good amount, right?
Yeah, a good amount.
Okay.